Folks, I want to share with you some information on the great Alpine Bright 19 foot. This is a touring van, 2 adults, 2 kids, double bunks and a queen bed. It's great Alpine's bestseller model. So it's the most popular caravan that they sell in terms of volume. And I want to show you why. There's lots of good reasons for that. First and foremost, you can see it's a very striking van, looks awesome with the aluminium cladding. Your choice of rubber or aluminium frame, depending what your preference is. You can see we start with the chassis. We have a GNS Australian made, Australian steel chassis, couple of gas bottles, very clean, nice and high here. This makes it look a lot better and gives you a slightly higher bed and lots more storage and a bigger front boot. If you swing around, I'll show you the boot. So the front tunnel boot is somewhat higher. You can fit a kitchen in there or a slide out or all your storage, perhaps your poles. You can see it has an Aussie Traveller awning, which is a great product. Aussie Traveller door. This door has an integrated security screen, which I'm going to open any moment now. Oh, here we go. This door has an integrated security screen. It's midgie proof and also gives you that airflow in summer. So we'll have a look inside in a minute. Pull out step. If you like camping and you like going onto tracks, this van is actually capable of handling some track work as well. Not as off-road as you know, some of the top end stuff, but this touring van can definitely take you camping on those tracks. We have a table here, some power points, 12-volt speakers for your entertainment. Get the awning out, set up some lunch and entertain your family. We have the 2 windows here for the bunks, and as you can see, a lot more storage here. A lot more storage for all your accessories and goods you may want to take with you. You can see the rear has a very clean finish with the bumper and spare tyre. On this side of the van, start with a hot water system. This is an Australian hot water system, 28 litres in total, which ensures your family of 4 can have a normal shower in the caravan. This is your access to the toilet cassette and your filling tanks. This caravan has 2 water tanks, giving you ample self-sufficiency for a few days for you and your kids. This is the outdoor shower, so when you're coming from the beach, you can rinse your feet out, etc. Your inlet power point, clipsal, again, all Australian standard. A huge window, and this is the other side of that tunnel boot we saw before. Now, another thing important is it has 2 batteries, and they're located in these boxes down here, away from your precious space inside the van. So they're here. It's in the front of the van, which is good for balance, neatly tucked away there. It also has 2 solar panels, 170 watts each, so that'll give you ample power when you're off the grid. Time to have a look inside. Oh well, first things first, we'll turn on the power. We have a projector IP200 here, which gives you all that information about the battery power, how much power you're using, how much power you're getting in from your solar. So turn the lights on, nice and bright. See, this is a caravan queen bed here. You can see lots of storage, these side cupboards, which can be shelves or hanging. Lots of storage here for your clothes, drawers down here, and of course, under the bed, you've got ample storage. You can see there is a leather seat here. It can accommodate 2 adults, 2 kids. Good thing is you can move this table towards the bed, and actually someone can sit on the bed and use this table as well. Underneath here is storage for your shoes and anything you may want to need. You can see here more storage for cutlery, small pantry, your bin, more storage up here, sink. You can see the fresh water, drinking water outlet here, which has a filter on it. As you can see above the leather lounge, the great Alpine has some storage. And here is the projector, the brains of the electrical system, the IP200. And you have your fuses there, you have your hot water switch, the kitchen area, again, more storage here. You have an exhaust fan, so when you're using your cooktop, You have a griller underneath here, lots of storage, a silver sink or a black sink if you choose that. You have a drinking water tap which is filtered. And all important, this is the TV mount. So this, when you're mounting your TV on here, it can be viewed from either the lounge or the bed, should you choose to watch TV in bed. Okay. All right, you can see we have a microwave, which is an NC microwave. Now it doesn't have one of those rotating trays. It's quite unique, so it's very easy to clean and quite safe when you're traveling. You're not going to break that glass rotating dish. Here we have the Thetford 178 litre fridge. Now you might say it doesn't look 178 litres, but when you open it, it's quite deep. You've got lots of facilities here in the fridge. You've got a freezer underneath, more storage there. Here you can see the two bunks. Ideal for two kids. You've got window, you've got light, you've got power there for their toys and their iPads. The good thing about this van, again, it has a separate shower, toilet and bathroom, so you're not having to deal with one of those combo wet shower toilet things. You can see it's quite a large shower with a flip mixer and very convenient. It's got a vent and a skylight up the top with a fan. And here to my right is the combined bathroom, basin and toilet. As you can see, plenty of room. So that was the great Alpine 19-foot family van. And it's no wonder this is their top selling model. It really has everything for the family. You don't need a huge car, it's easy to tow, it's safe to tow, and it'll get you around Australia, no problem. Come on and check it out.